This is just horrific.
A veteran Florida meteorologist became emotional while covering Hurricane Milton's potentially catastrophic impact as it is set to hit the U.S. this week.
We want to begin with hurricane specialist John Morales. John, now this monster of a hurricane is a Category 5?
Yes, that news just came out right now, and it's certainly, it's just an incredible hurricane. It has dropped 50 millibars in 10 hours. I apologize. This is just horrific.